morning! My name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at Neilden's colorful retro floral cat. I worked on this cat in February 2024. I bought the Neilden pattern after working on a Tishron pattern that was based on the same floral cat artwork. The Tishron kit seemed pixelated, and I wanted to see if the Neilden pattern would show the flowers, eyes, and details better. The pattern. The artwork for both colorful retro floral cats show a cat body full of wildflowers sitting in a dark garden enclosed in a colorful frame. Let's take a close look at the Neilden pattern before adding any diamonds. This full round pattern is 12 inches by 16 inches or 30 by 40 centimeters with 30 colors. The DMC colors are listed in the key. I bought the Neilden pattern on Amazon on sale for $6.99 on February 1st, 2024, and it was delivered the next day. It had been originally priced at $9.99. This confetti-filled Neilden project took me about 36 hours. This is a little longer than the Tishron kit, which took me about 23 hours. I'm glad I have a good LED light pad for both floral cat kits. It made working on the dark backgrounds a lot easier. I also used a new set of accessories and tools I bought on Amazon from Trusery. Did I buy these tools because I needed more diamond painting accessories? Do I ever need any more diamond painting accessories? Please define need. I'll review the tools in an upcoming video. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I loved the colors and the confetti on both Floral cats. Both the Tishron and Neilden kits started from the same artwork. The patterns shown on Amazon for each kit are a little bit different. I think the new Neilden pattern is more readable and has a clearer picture than the original Tishron pattern. Looking at the photographs of both patterns in real life, again, I think the Neilden pattern is a clearer pattern and looks like it will create better artwork than the Tishron pattern. And here are the two completed kits side by side. I enjoyed doing both kits, and I didn't have any issues with stick or diamonds or reading the patterns. And both patterns were created from the same original artwork. But in my opinion, the Neilden kit created a better picture. The Neilden cat's face, eyes, ears, and tail are clearer. The flowers on and behind the Neilden cat look more like flowers. The Neilden border is better. What do you think? Do you ever see several kits by different companies and wonder if the diamond painting results would be better with one or another kit? What would you look at on the company website to pick one kit over another? The price? The original artwork? The photo showing the pattern? The photo showing the finished kit, if the seller provided one? Or is that too much work, too complicated to look that closely at each pattern? Would you randomly pick one kit and hope for the best? Would you buy several kits, complete them all, and hang up the one that you like best? Maybe there isn't enough detail in the on-screen pictures to know which diamond painting kit would turn out better anyway. What do you think? Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.